Hi, I'm Dr. Alan Barker and I'm Director of Taught Postgraduate Studies in the discipline of Sport and Health Sciences. I'm here to talk to you today about the different postgraduate programs that we offer within the discipline of Sport and Health Sciences. Within this presentation, I'll be giving you further information about studying for postgraduate programs within the discipline of Sport and Health Sciences. In particular, we're going to have a focus on the different programs available. That includes the program structure, the types of module options that will be available to you as a student, and this will lead into a more in-depth overview of how the module programs are underpinned by the high-cutting research that's taking place within Sport and Health Sciences. Each of our students are also entitled to undertake a dissertation project, and I'll provide you with some example areas that you can focus on for your project, which will be aligned to the different programs of research operating within Sport and Health Sciences. And finally, I'll talk about the different employability options available within Sport and Health Sciences, in particular how we can help you progress into the career of your choice. Within the discipline of Sport and Health Sciences, we have two taught MSc programs. Firstly, we have the MSc in Sport and Health Sciences, and this was established in 2003 and enables students to take a multidisciplinary pathway to the study of Sport and Health Sciences. Our second programme is the bespoke MSc in Paediatric Exercise and Health, which is underpinned by the internationally leading research conducted within the Children's Health and Exercise Research Centre, which is part of the discipline of Sport and Health Sciences. For students wishing to study for the MSc in Sport and Health Sciences, this can be studied both on a full-time or a part-time basis, and over this time you're required to obtain up to 180 credits. These credits are going to be obtained over both core and optional modules. The core modules are as follows. The first module is based upon research methods and analytical procedures. This equips you with the necessary skills to undertake an independent research project. This leads on to your final core module, which is the dissertation module. This is where you get to take part in an independent research project from conception to completion. In addition to these core modules, you are required to select up to 3 optional modules to complement your MSc programme. Students wishing to study for the MSc in Paediatric Exercise and Health can do this both on a full-time or a part-time basis, and over this time you're required to obtain 180 credits, and these come from core modules. The core modules are as follows. All students will undertake a research methods and analytical procedures module. This gives you the necessary skills and training to undertake an independent research project. Students will also be required to take an independent dissertation module. This will enable you to work within the Children's Health and Exercise Centre research team to undertake a research project from conception to completion. The other core modules are as follows. Paediatric Exercise and Physiology, Paediatric Exercise and Health, and laboratory techniques in exercise physiology. We also have a programme called the MRes in Health and Wellbeing. This programme is a novel and innovative programme which is focused on an interdisciplinary pathway to solve more complex problems within the discipline of Sport and Health Sciences. This programme is run over a 12-month period where students are required to amass a total of 180 credits. 135 of these credits can be found within core modules. One of these modules is your dissertation module, which requires you to take an independent research project. And the other core modules are related to giving you the necessary training and grounding in different research approaches to solve complex problems related to the discipline of Sport and Health Sciences. Students on the MRes in Health and Wellbeing are also required to select up to 45 credits from optional modules. These optional modules can be taken from the disciplines of Sport and Health Sciences, Geography and Psychology. There may also be an opportunity to study modules across universities from the Southwest, including the Bath and Bristol universities. The key features of our programme are as follows. The programmes are delivered within a friendly and supportive teaching and learning environment. Each student is given an academic member of staff as their tutor, and that tutor is responsible for the pastoral and academic progression of the student through the programme. We have state-of-the-art teaching and research facilities. From a teaching perspective, we have dedicated laboratory space, not only for the teaching sessions, but also for students to undertake their dissertation projects. And from a research point of view, we have dedicated laboratories ranging from undertaking muscle biopsy studies, protein synthesis studies, and also looking at vascular physiology. Within our programs, we also have a variety of delivery and assessment methods. From the assessment point of view, you may be required to undertake a laboratory report, prepare a grant report, which will be peer reviewed. You'll also be required to undertake oral presentations and also disseminate this work in the form of an infographics for teachers and parents in terms of how to increase children's physical activity. There'll also be many opportunities, both internal and external to the university, to try and promote your skills and experiences within the area of research and also sports science support. Our postgraduate programmes benefit from the research expertise that exists within the discipline of sport and health sciences. We have 4 research groups in total. One of the groups is integrative physiology, the other one is human movement sciences. We also have a group focusing on physical activity and health across the lifespan, and lastly we have a group called the Children's Health and Exercise Research Centre. Our research is supported by a broad portfolio of funders. This ranges from the sport, commercial, charity and government sectors. For the dissertation module, students typically undertake their project aligned with the various research groups within sport and health sciences. We are committed to enhancing the employability prospects of all students on our programmes, and there are a number of different options of support available. For example, the Career Zone provides students with tailored information with regard to planning their future career. This can range from drop-in sessions to look at your CV, to helping write the covering letter, or also a practice interview scenario. We also offer a professional development experience module where students can work alongside the high performance unit within the sports park to provide sports science support to our elite athletes. We also have various employability opportunities within sport and health sciences. This could range from a pint of science event all the way to a bespoke careers day run by the discipline of sport and health sciences. Students graduating from the programmes end up in a diverse range of employability areas. This can be within industry, such as working for Medtronic, or in the general health sector, such as a health and wellbeing physiologist for the Nuffield Health. We also have individuals working within the sports setting, such as for the Lawn Tennis Association or the Football Association. And finally, a lot of our students use the programmes as a springboard to further research, such as PhD study. Thank you for listening to me. I hope you found the information useful and that it will aid you in making a decision as to whether you would like to come and study at Exeter. I sincerely hope to see you in the coming years. Thank you.